Alright guys, my face is beat. I have on the gray hoodie, so you know what time it is. DIY time. Hey guys, it's Teresa Shea from FlyFierceFab, and in today's video, I'm doing a super simple DIY project, a scented shimmering body oil. Okay, so recently, Bath & Body Works had their semi-annual sale, and they have a scent there that I'm absolutely obsessed with, and it's called Chestnut and Argan from Bath & Body Works. It smells so good. A friend of mine put me onto it, and then I wound up getting it for Christmas from my mom, and I was so happy because I smell like a whole meal. I don't even know how to describe it. What are the notes that are in here? Chestnut, of course. Argan, so it almost has that slight argan oil smell, but it's like, it's sexier. It has sandalwood in here and musk as well. You really just need to go to Bath & Body Works and smell it. Anywho, the oil, regular price, it was $18.50. I know everything was about 75% off. I don't feel like calculating what that was right now, but I know that this was super duper cheap and it smells amazing. Okay, so because I love the scent so much, I've been looking for ways to layer it, and I definitely noticed that it's not something that I like to mix with other scented stuff. Like when I wear the body spray and like a different scented lotion, it just throws off the whole scent, and I don't like it. So what I want to do is turn the body oil that I picked up from Bath & Body Works in the Chestnut and Argan scent into a shimmering body oil. This way it'll give my skin a nice sheen and work with like layering the fragrances as well. So basically what I am going to do is take the body oil, which smells absolutely amazing. So what I did was I went through a makeup collection and I picked up some of my favorite loose highlighters. They are all warm toned, so they're all like either really yellowy gold, very golden, bronzy, or like rose gold. They're all like in that family. So it has a stopper in here. I was able to pry it up with my nail. So first I'm going to start with "And the Winner Is," and I'm just going to tap this in here. Low-key wondering if I should be using a funnel. As you guys can see, it's just like sitting on the top right now. This is a large bottle of oil. It says it's how many ounces? This is 6.3 fluid ounces of oil. And you could also like mix together your own oils at home if you have them on hand. Like definitely you could do some research, see what oils would work best for your skin, and then like mix your own body oil and then add shimmer. However, most of the oils in my house are reserved for my natural hair and they're expensive. So I'd rather just put them in my Bath & Body Works pre-made body oil. It's looking pretty good if you look in there. Ooh, shimmery. You could also do the same thing that I'm doing with this body oil with a makeup setting spray. If you have some Fix Plus, you could also mix highlighters inside of that like I'm doing, and then you have like a nice shimmery spray that you can spray on your face or on your body as well. Putting the top back on. You could put a lot less in here than I did, but like I said, I really love to be highlighted and glowy, so I went off. Take a little bit of the oil. Just a little bit. Ooh. Alright. Alright. Hand with the oil, hand without the oil. As you guys can see, this hand looks like it has a healthier glow. The skin also now really feels nice and supple. I'm about to order me another bottle of this oil real quick before they jack it back up to regular price. There you have it guys, a quick and easy way to make your own shimmering body oil at home, or whatever you want to make, girl, but all I know is all 2018 I will be glowing. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you. You can catch me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. I am FlyFierceFab on all those platforms. Thanks for watching, keep shining, and I'll see you next time.